Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11, beginning at Mississippi Mile 100 in Jones County. We're just leaving the city limits of Laurel, but will remain in the Laurel micropolitan area throughout this video. US 11 becomes Front Street as we enter the town of Sandersville, which had a population of 636 as of the 2020 census. The town was originally settled by Scottish migrants who built the Good Hope Presbyterian Church here in the 1820s. In 1855, the town was named for the pioneer Sanders family who lived here. A refinery owned by Hunt Refining Company is situated northeast of Sandersville. The facility processes crude oil obtained primarily from nearby Mississippi fields and yields various products, including distillate feedstock, heavy gas oils, naphtha, paving-grade asphalt, and roofing-grade asphalt. Just to the east of Sandersville is the Bach-Homa Casino, owned and operated by the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians. The alcohol-free casino features a variety of gaming options, including slot machines, table games, and a poker room. It also has a restaurant and a bar/lounge for visitors to enjoy. The name Bach-Homa is derived from the Choctaw language and means Red Creek. The road surface changes to freshly paved asphalt as we enter Jasper County. Highway 11 just crosses the southeast corner of the county, so we won't be here for long. Jasper County had a population of 16,367 as of the 2020 census. It has 2 county seats, one of which is Bay Springs, the largest city in the county, and the other is Paulding, which is an unincorporated community, the only unincorporated community in the state of Mississippi to hold the title of county seat, even though it has to live in the shadow of the other larger county seat. With US 11 and I-59 only passing through a corner of the county remains largely rural in the 21st century. 2 state highways run through the county, and they intersected Bay Springs, explaining why that became such a prominent town. We conclude today's video at mile 115. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.